Hello, my name is Hongya Qu. I'm the Technical Marketing Engineer of IoTG Group, in charge of the Substation Automation. Today I'm going to show you how physical security playing an important role in the substation automation security. What you see here is the HMI interface. This is the very traditional way of customer seeing what's going on in the substation, whether there's a trip or not. If there's a trip, they're going to see alarm on the HMI interface. But with the Cisco's Physical Security Access Manager, we put them together. Then I'm going to show you what's going on if there's a trip happening in the substation.
And what is HMI interface?
HMI is a human-machine interface. That's the application typically used by the substation automation customers to see whether there's a trip happening in the remote substation.
I see.
I'm going to show you how we simulate a trip in the substation environment. Here we have relays connected to the Cisco CGS and IE 2000U switch. I'm going to push this button to show you there's a trip happening. And meanwhile, you're going to see the LED on another IED showing it received the boost message and got the trip message. And
so you've basically created a fault in the substation.
Exactly.
And you've created an electrical fault in the substation. Okay.
At the device level, they get the message crossed. On the HMI side, you can see now there's an alarm showing there's a trip happening in the substation.
So basically, something is wrong. It's an anomaly in the substation.
Yes. Now you can see, in addition to the IED, LED display, also the HMI alarm display, you also see this live video camera triggered by the alarm and exactly showing on the map where the trip is happening. So this is really giving the customer a lot more visibility into the substation, what's really going on. And this is meeting the NERC CIP requirement of physical asset protection.
Physical asset protection, additional visibility, logical and physical access capability being combined here when you have a substation fault.
Exactly.
Okay.
This all together showing the integrated Cisco solution that brings the real visibility of the substation to the control room part.
That's excellent.
Yeah. And let me show you one more thing. We have this physical security access gateway here. You can put this in the substation, and we have this badge system that we scan the badge. On the physical security access manager side, you can see exactly who accessed the substation at what time and how long he stayed there, or whether he has left the substation. So this really gives you the count that, okay, who at when and where he accessed the substation. And if someone doesn't have a badge trying to force into the substation, for example, I do this. This is just simulating someone without a badge trying to break into the substation. You also have a live video camera triggered by that. So together, all these really giving the customer, utility customers, great visibility into the substation, whether there's an alarm happening or some other force trying to break into the substation.
Thank you.
Any questions?